A crime has happened, a robbery just took place, and it's up to you to figure out who did it, but how? There are two ways you can think: deductive reasoning and inductive reasoning. Let's dive in. First, deductive reasoning, the top-down approach. Picture this. You start with a general rule. Most robberies are committed by someone who knows the house. Applying this rule, you first focus on family members or close friends. For example, you interrogate the house staff and relatives, looking for clues that either confirm or reject your initial idea. This is deductive reasoning. You start with a general rule and apply it to a specific case. In science, a physicist might start with Einstein's theory of relativity and test whether light bends near a star. In AI, rule-based systems use predefined logic to make decisions, just like this approach. Next up, inductive reasoning, the bottom-up approach. Now, imagine you have no initial assumptions. You collect all the clues first: fingerprints, witness statements, security footage. Only after analyzing the evidence do you build a theory about what happened. For example, you notice muddy footprints leading to the back door. Reviewing security footage, you conclude that the thief likely entered from there. This is inductive reasoning. You start with specific observations and form a general rule. In science, a biologist might study thousands of animals and discover a new species based on patterns in their DNA. In AI, machine learning follows this pattern. The AI looks at thousands of data points, learns patterns, and makes predictions. Now, how is reasoning different from research approaches? Reasoning is about how we think. Deductive. You start with a rule and apply it. Inductive. You start with observations and create a rule. Research approaches, on the other hand, are about how we design research. A priori approach. You start with a theory and then test it, similar to deductive reasoning. Grounded research. You gather data first and then build a theory, much like inductive reasoning. AI research uses both. AI learns from data using inductive reasoning and then applies learned rules using deductive reasoning. The detective solves the case. By using both inductive and deductive reasoning, the detective finds the thief. Just like detectives, scientists and AI researchers use both types of reasoning to solve big problems. Watch our previous video on a priori versus grounded theory to see how reasoning connects to research. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos.